What you see now is the picture of the S-64 air crane special firefighting helicopter absorbing water on the lake. The aircraft absorbs 1.5 tons of water at a time, sprinkles water at a height of 50 meters, and instantly releases 10 cubic meters of water. The water mass forms a column, and the landing is a rectangle 15 meters long and 8 meters wide. It effectively extinguishes the fire under the action of the wind, covering an area of more than 1,000 square meters. The air crane is a double-engine heavy-duty helicopter, which was originally a military transportation mission, but was gradually retired due to expensive construction and unreasonable design. The decommissioned air crane continued to exert residual heat in the civilian field, and was improved to introduce firefighting